Good morning, everyone. We're going to try my first time using Carb Quick. I asked in my chicken and biscuit recipe if anyone has used this. I got a bunch of people that sent me messages. I've got an idea. People said it's good. We're going to try it. Instead of drop biscuits, I'm going to make it as one big in a quiche. I have an idea. In other words, like scones, I'm going to cut it in triangles, or the cornbread. Dave will eat it no matter what the shape of it is. Let's see how we do. Did your mom or grandmother take a piece of paper towel? Back in the day, they used margarine. I'm going to use some butter. Like, take your butter like this and just take a piece of paper towel. Or Crisco, they used to do it with too. So I got quite a bit of butter. That's going to be the base of my casserole. Like, she used to take a piece of paper towel and then just wipe the butter or margarine or Crisco around a pie pan, or instead of spraying. This is what they did back in the day. At least that's what I remember. And I want the butter to go into the Carb Quick biscuits. How bad can it be? That looks like a good paper towel. I'd probably eat it. Anyway, this recipe was pretty simple. Hopefully it works. 2 cups of the Carb Quick. I haven't opened it yet. I've never used it. I bought it at Sam's Club. To be honest with you, I just eat, it's probably chemicals, so I've been trying to eat clean. So once I bought it, I stopped eating a lot of things that were chemicals, like biscuits and things, to make my own. But I'm going to use it up because I have it. If it's good, maybe I'll buy it again. Because I tell you all the time, I'm 90% a clean eater and 10% a crap eater. So this we're going to go in the crap category with. Now, that was big heaping. There's still a lot left. I bought a big box. I'll look for a clip for that later. Then it says just 2/3 cup using a mixer and all that. Lori's not doing that either. So I'm going to just take 2/3 cup. If it doesn't look thick enough, I'm going to add some milk to it. Because I think milk does a body good. No, milk would be, make it a little richer. It said you can do it with half and half cheese, which my husband wouldn't touch it if there's cheese. So I can already tell that looks too thick as far as pourable. Maybe it's good for the drop biscuits though. So I'm just going to add a splash of whole milk to it. So I don't know about you guys, but when I make pancakes, I don't measure anything. It's terrible. Because it's hard for me to do, I don't even know how much milk that just was. But it's hard for me to give you a recipe if you've just learned to cook the way that I learned. I learned by my sights, smells. Literally, I could be in the other room and smell when the oven, when it's ready for me to take something out of the oven. I learned truly the old-fashioned way. I taught myself. It still looks too thick to me because these are going to rise up. I just want to be able to cut them into like scones later, triangular. Yes, I could sit and drop them in that, which maybe I'll do that to please the world. But for me, cutting it would be just as easy. Does that make sense to you? It's pretty thick. Have you used this Carb Quick instead of Bisquick? I have both. I have a whole box of Bisquick to use up. So when I run out of pancake mix, Dave better like Bisquick pancakes because I only make pancakes. No, I'm going to do it my way. I'm going to drop the whole thing into this buttered quiche. Now it looks about the right consistency. And I'm just going to spread it out till where I can cut it into a triangle. It'll rise up. How bad can it be, right? I got butter on the bottom. It's going to fit good. The oven's on with the chicken and biscuits in it. And the potatoes are still in it. The chili is cooking. These are for not just all for today, these meals. You know, I did a lot of meal prepping. I got a lot of fruit side dishes all done. And leftovers are our lunches through the week and probably other dinners. I don't know who shows up today. I already got messages when I put this off of Do Not Disturb. My granddaughter's looking if we're going anywhere. They might come over for a beach day. My nephew wrote to me. He's coming over with his wife or girlfriend to bring me some veggies from his garden. So God knows what happens here on a Sunday. But this is going to be in the oven. Let's see. And it smells really good in my house right now. Chickeny and deliciously. This was clean. This was not. This was not. That's it, guys. That is Carb Quick. Later on, when I show you the chicken and biscuits, it will be with that, hopefully, if it comes out good. What do you think? Have you made them? Let me know in my comments. Thank you for being with me. Does this help your weight loss journey to do low carb, healthier versions? Thanks again.